Hello, hello there, my crafty friends. It's Candy here from sweetstamper.com, and Candy's Card Club for August is ready for registration. Now, I design a card class by mail with 8 cards with a single stamp set each month. And this month, for registrations open now through August the 12th, and then that gets shipped out about the 17th of the month. For this month, I have chosen Charming Day, one of the July release online exclusives, and this is the bundle that I'm featuring. Now, this is not included with your club kit unless you choose to add it on for extra, and I do give you that at cost as an option. Now, this is a class by mail. It's run as a subscription, although you can purchase a single month. So let me show you what is in the August kit. So I am featuring basically the suite from Charming Day. So you get a full pack of these beautiful, they're very flat, faceted gems, and they are petal pink, petunia pop, and night of navy. And these are really, really lovely. I think you're going to enjoy them. You get to have a pack of this beautiful designer series paper, and you can see front and back of each one. You're also going to get a half pack of the textured metallics. And I love to include things that may have just kind of passed you by, you didn't really notice them, but you get a sheet of copper, kind of a dark, almost like a charcoal silver, and gold, and these are brushed. Now, I'm going to use these in the projects, but I'm giving you a half sheet of each as part of your kit to play with. I think they're especially going to be nice for holiday projects. So we do have 8 card packets, and you get the 8 envelopes, and you get 8 different cards. Let me move this out of the way for better viewing. So you get project kits for these 8 cards. Now, all of the die cutting is done for you. That includes the dies from the featured bundle as well as others. Now you can see here where I've added some of that dark, the dark textured metallic paper here. And I'm featuring it in all of the projects have a little bit of that. And so all of this die cutting is done for you. And we're using a lot of the designer paper. So I've given you some very reproducible layouts that you can use again and again with your designer series paper. Now, I always include at least 2 fun folds. And this month they do have a belly band that comes off like so, and then this comes up and this comes out. So I'm calling this, I think I called this a top fold with belly band. I don't really know what the name for this kind of newish fun fold is. At least it's new to me. And then this one is probably my favorite of the 2. So it goes up like this, and again, it's a great way to show off your designer series paper. That is why you need a half a pack of this paper. We're going to use the heck out of this paper. And so you do get your PDF instructions with full color photos, step-by-step instructions, project lists, the whole 9 yards. And that actually slips on a little easier than on camera, not showing you very well. And you do, so you get your PDF tutorials. And I am going to include a little video with this one to give you some real keys on how to put together the fun fold and how to use some of the dies. So again, this is Charming Day. Beautiful, very versatile bundle. And registration for Card Club. Card Club members get all of this, including your shipping, for $45 a month. It is a subscription, and that is run through PayPal. You can pay with any credit card, debit card. PayPal is just the facilitator for the payments. If you want to get this as a single month, you do pay more, but you do have that option. My club members get better pricing on the kit each month. You can unsubscribe at any time, but after 6 consecutive months, they get a really nice product and gift package with their kit after 6 consecutive months. So I do have a really nice loyalty program for Candy's Card Club. Again, registration runs through August the 12th, and then that gets shipped out typically the 17th through the 20th. So it's 17th is where I aim to go, but I give myself a couple of days. Sometimes there's like, a federal holiday with regard to mail, or, there's been a backlog or something's been unavailable, something like that. So anyway, I will give you a heads up. You do get the link for your kit so that you can follow it as it's heading your way. Thank you so much for your consideration. Take care and God bless.